Assalamu alaikum. I'm Kamran Hussain. Now I want to show you a LPC controller. I don't know what happened. Now I connect a C220. There have a on-off power switch. Yes, already I connect to 20 with this controller. There have no any response. Now I measure AC volt. Yes, AC 220 is present. This controller should power on when I connect AC 220 automatically, but there have no any responding. When I press this button, it's turn on. Again I disconnect and I connect. There have no any response. When I press any switch, it's turning on. This is not this system on this controller. Now I open. Brother, this is authentic video. There have no any hidden item. You can see there is three part. First part is microcontroller. Second part is power supply. Third part is IO. That's mean input output card. I need to open this card. This is power card. Now I measure voltage on this board. Light is glowing and this pin is for 24 volt. Yes, 24 volt is present. I need to isolate this part. Brother, you can see there is too much rust on this motherboard. In this situation, uh, I suspect there is fault. I will show you next. Brother, you can see now I repaired this motherboard finally, and I plug in AC line. You can see light is glowing automatically, and you can see when I press keypad is working fine. Yes, yes. Actually, this card have this section faulty. I repaired this section, and now card is ready to go. Thank you. Thanks for watch. If you want to get this type video, please subscribe my channel and press bell button.